Hello ladies and gentlemen, good evening to you all and welcome back to our channel. In this particular video, we'll be talking about the latest, the hottest and the most trending crypto project under layer 1 blockchain as it stands now, that I don't really want each and every one of us right here to miss out on this project. Okay, so the name of this project is called Ruby Block, and like I said, I don't want anybody in my community to miss out on this project. So if you know you have not started participating in this project, then after watching this video, do well to jump on it immediately and start claiming these tokens. Let me bust you guys' brain. As it stands now, this particular coin is already in the market, it's already being traded in the black market. So black market is already buying and selling these Ruby block tokens. Okay, you guys can see the potentials and the utilities that this particular coin has already. So this is the next pie that is coming in the layer 1 blockchain. As we all know, pie just listed and made a lot of people millionaire. So I'm telling you guys frankly and being honest, this is the next project that will raise the next set of crypto millionaires under layer 1 blockchain. All right, Pi did it and this is the next. So I'm telling you guys strictly, if you know you are not participating in this project, get started immediately after watching this video. Okay, so in this particular video, we're just going to talk some few things about this project. I will show you guys some components. All you have to know how to get started and how to stay afloat. Okay, so this is the dashboard, and what you have to do is that I'm going to be leaving the link to this project in the description section and comment section of this video. All you have to do is just to follow the link, download the app in Play Store, and make sure you use my referral code so that we will be able to mine at higher rates for each other, right? And I'll be able to add you in my security cycle where you'll be earning from other people's mining as well. Okay, so now let's get started. This is the dashboard of this coin. So once you join this project through the link in the description section and comment section of this video, download the app and log in. This is how your interface is going to look, as simple as that. So every 24 hours you just have to come here and toggle on this button to start mining. We don't really do much right here, so once you turn the button on, it will start mining for you on autopilot. So there are a lot of things that some people are getting confused. When you want to turn on this button, they will give you different options to choose. You can see something like wood, fire, light, water. You will see something like Abuja, Lagos, and some other foreign countries. So the choice is yours. You just have to choose any one of them that is available. Just click on it and start mining. Then you can be able to be swapping the mining daily. Maybe today you choose Abuja, tomorrow you choose Lagos, the next time you choose foreign, and so on and so forth. So they all serve the same purposes. As you guys can see, I have like 5 hours to go before I will come back and turn on this button again. It will continue mining for me, right? So this is the current value of this particular coin. Like as it stands now, we are in the testnet phase of this particular project. So this particular amount that I have equals this amount, but don't take it for it. This is not the real value. We are in the testnet phase. Like I said, we are not in the mainnet phase, right? So once it goes mainnet, that is when we are going to know the real value, because you can't know the real value of a coin that is not yet traded in the market. Okay, so that is one thing I want to let us know. But what you guys supposed to take note of is that whatever you got here, whatever you are mining here, is the real token. In as much as we are in the testnet phase, there's no conversion, there's no minusing or plusing right here. So whatever you get is what you have at the end of the day. The only difference is the value in the market whenever they go mainnet. Okay, so let nobody deceive you. Whatever you have here is what you got. All right, so that is just that. And when I scroll up, I will show you guys. Once you join, you can be able to invite your own family and friends to this project as well, so that you can mine at a higher rate. So if you take a look at my dashboard right here, you can see that I have like 50 something under me, and that something are active right now, right? So you also can be able to invite your family, friends, colleague, and everybody to join. Once you join, you tap on this place that they wrote invite friends, then they will give you the option to create your own invite link by yourself. So you just have to type anything of your choice. You can be able to use your username. Like for me, I just input my username and they check mark it for me, then they give me the link. So they will ask you to choose what you want to use as your invite link. Then you put anything you like, they will create it, then you copy it and start inviting your family and friends. So if I click on this place that they wrote invite friends now, you guys can see, like I said, I just put my username right here, then they integrate it for me. So this is where I'll just have to copy and send this particular link to everybody that I wish that should join this project. Okay, so and this is where you can be able to track your mining team. This place that I wrote view all, if you click on it, you will see the number of people that you have. This is where you are going to see a clearer dashboard of your community. Okay, so you scroll up, you see everybody that are under you, and this is a very crucial part of this project. Every 5 hours you have to come here and tap on this button to remind your members to start mining. As you guys can see, I have a lot of people that are not active. Out of 50 something, only 30 something are active. So I've already I've already kind of told these people to on, like I've already pressed this reminder button, and a lot of people came online right now. So you just have to prioritize this every 5 hours. You turn it on so that your members will get a notification directly on their phone to come back and start mining. Okay, so as it stands now, we are mining at base rate of 0.6 Ruby at a time. So you guys can see we can't even get up to 1 Ruby a day, to show you guys how lucrative this project is. And before I forget, there's only 100 million total supply of this coin, to show you guys that there is a very massive scarcity of this coin, thereby the value is going to be very, very huge. So we have only 100 million right here, and the circulating supply will be around 50 to 60 million. So this is a very lucrative project that I don't want anybody to miss out on. Okay, so these are just the basic information you're supposed to have right now. When you come to this particular section where they wrote wallet, it is very critical that you create your wallet immediately after joining this project. You tap on this wallet button right here, which is the next button to the last. Wait for them to bring it up, right? So you guys can see, sorry, let them serve advertisements.
We trade with Xness.
Alright, so this is where they make some funds to maintain and service the project. So after the advertisement, you guys can see my wallet right here. So I currently have 200 and something Ruby block right here, though I bought this one, I bought this one, right? So, and you guys can see the value right here. Like I said, this is not the real value, this is just a testnet value, but this is the actual coin that you have. Okay, so you can be able to change the fonts right here at this particular setting button over here, right? But before I do that, let me show you guys something, because a lot of people will not see their wallets like this. So if you come to this particular setting button, let me click on it and tap on this place that they wrote switch wallet. Wait for it to come up. Beautiful. This is how a lot of you guys will see your wallets. This is how your wallet will appear. It will not appear like my own. Okay, so you guys can see that they have already shown me something like in use. Okay, so this particular wallet is already in use. So you that just joined this project, what you have to do is, once you come here, you will see where they say ready. Like as my own is showing in use, your own will show ready. Then you click on that ready. They will ask you to create your wallet. They will prompt you to copy your secret phrase. So we all know what secret phrase means. That is the security to your wallet. So you just have to copy that secret phrase and save it somewhere very, very securely that you cannot miss it. All right, after copying it and saving it somewhere, then you click on this particular button again. When it will show you ready, then you put that secret phrase, then it will show you this my particular interface right here. Okay, so it's very, very necessary. Once you create your wallet, you put the secret phrase, prioritize this particular side, you will see ready right here, tap on it and create your wallet. And for those that has created their wallet but they are still seeing their dashboard like this, it's very simple. Just tap on it and put your secret phrase, then you will get your wallet the way my own is showing like this. Okay, so you can be able to choose either you want to change the coin, your rate to euro or USD. So let me change it to USD right now so that you guys will see. I will apply, I will come back, then you guys can see that the value is already in dollars right now. Okay, so that is just that, and you can choose to hide your coins right here or to leave it open. It's your choice. So let me change it back to euro. So once you have created your wallet, come to this setting button again, you tap on it, then you click on this place that they wrote pin setting. You tap on it and create your 4-digit pin that you'll be using as your secret. So you guys can see they say enter your pin code to access this feature, because I've already created mine. So in your own case, they will show you to create yours. You'll be needing it for transaction and every other thing. All right, so this is just that for the transaction. So if you click on history right here, you can see the amount of transactions that you have done. So come back to receive. So if you really want to receive Ruby from anybody, because whenever you want to do your KYC verification, you will be needing some Ruby blocks, right? You'll be needing some amount of Ruby to verify your wallet. So whenever you want to get a Ruby from somebody, you just have to click on this receive button right here. Then you copy the address and send it to the person. This is the address right here. Send it to the person and you will get your Ruby block immediately. Okay, so that is just that for now. So let's come back to this particular session, which is very, very critical. So I will show you guys. You come to your home dashboard right here. I just want to toggle it everything on so that we can be able to meet up with time and everything. All right, so when you come to this particular home session, which is your personal dashboard interface, you will see something like my information, user verification, account security. So let's start from account security. If you tap on account security, you will just create one or two this thing that you'll be using as your security measure, you can be able to create your two-factor authentication through the Google Authenticator app, or you sign in with Touch ID. So I activated my Touch ID, so nobody can access this my Rubi account because I integrated my fingerprint, right? So that is the only way I can enter it. So let me just go back and show you guys what I mean. So let me just slide this and show you guys what I mean. So assuming I want to go back to the app right now, let me go back to Rubi so that you guys will see what I mean. I tap on Rubi, then they will prompt me to put my fingerprints. Sorry, it's loading up. Let me re-enter it. Let me re-enter it so that you guys will see what I mean. It's coming up. You can see they say that I need to touch my fingerprint sensor for me to enter. So you just have to create this security measure. Anyone, either your Google Authenticator or your fingerprint, right? Just a kind of security, okay?
We trade with Xness.
Well.
Best price.
Alright, so we can now proceed. That is just that for this particular session. And for this place that they wrote user verification, you can click on this user verification button. Then you will see your eKYC, which is your KYC verification right here. So for you to be able to access your coins, you need to do KYC verifications, right? So you click on this eKYC, you guys can see not verified. So this is where you can be able to verify your account so that you can be able to send and receive these tokens. So there are some things you need to put in place for them to give you invitation to come and verify your KYC, right? So you have to wait for invitation before you can be able to come and verify your KYC. So if I click on continue right here, you guys can see that I've already met all the required criteria to verify my KYC. So whenever I'm going to do the verification, I'll just show you guys all you need. So like I said, you will need like 4 Rubi to do your KYC, right? So you need like 4 Rubi to do your KYC, and you can get it from any local vendor, or you can reach out to me and I will assist you, okay? So these are the 3 major things you need. Firstly, you have to make sure that you have at least 30 Rubi in your dashboard, and you have been active and completed your profile for the past 30 days. Sorry, that is the first thing. Make sure that your profile has been completed for the past 30 days and you have at least 30 Rubi. Then the next thing is to wait for them to give you invitation. Receive invitation from KYC 1.5. all right? So the first KYC session was KYC 1.0, which is very, very low. So this particular KYC version, which is KYC 1.5, is one of the largest KYC slots that they are going to allocate. So do well to make everything possible so that you can be able to meet up on all these particular criteria, so that you can be able to get invitation at this particular session. Because after this particular one, you don't know when next they are going to give people slot to do verification again. So you guys should use Pi as a case study. Up to now, a lot of people have not been able to verify their Pi, right? So this place that I talk complete ownership information, which is the first one. Let me show you guys how to get that done. So you come back. That is the first one right here. Sorry guys, let's go back a bit. Okay, so this place that I wrote my information, that is where you are going to complete all the details. So if you click on my information, you are going to see everything that they request from you. Put your last name, your full name, gender, date of birth, your email, phone number, then your country and address. So make sure say everything is correct. Make sure you are using your legal identity right here. So don't make any mistake. Make sure you are using your correct details right here. Okay, so concerning this last name and first name, you guys can see that there's nothing like middle name right here, and middle name is in your identity. So all you have to do is this place that you have to put your first name, add your middle name, join at that particular session. Okay, just add your middle name, join. You guys can see my profile is complete, everything is intact, and I've already received notification to come and do my KYC. All right, so that is just that. And like I said, when I'm going to do the KYC, I'll still get you guys updated so that I'll show you guys how to go about it. All right, it's as simple as that. So there's nothing much to say in this project anymore. All I know is that after watching this video, do well to get started immediately. All right, so and once you have been able to complete your profile and get at least 30 Rubi here, they are going to give you invitation this place. So you check, just do well to be checking your invitation, your notification bell at the upper part. So you just have to scroll up and you will see where they wrote something like invitation to come and do your KYC. They have given me that invitation long ago. I don't really think if I can still see it anymore. Okay, so and that is just that. And once you even receive the invitation, you are definitely going to see everything right here. Sorry guys, let me go back. You are definitely going to see everything right here at this user verification. So you will click on it and you will see everything check mark right here. Then you are good to go with your verification. So do well to participate in this project. Put everything in order as early as possible so that you will get your invitation to come and do your KYC. Okay, so that is just that in this particular project. I know the video is already long, but if you watch to this particular extent, do well to give us a thumbs up in this particular video and jump on it immediately after watching. All right, so thank you guys for sticking around. Join this project. This is the next crypto project that is going to raise the next set of millionaires in this crypto space. Mark today's date and take it from my words. All right, so thank you guys for watching. Till I come your way next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and keep winning. Bye bye for now, and enjoy the rest of your day.